Yes, the attorney I spoke to has dealt with several of these Title IX cases with the university involving sexual harassment claims, and he says usually these are handled internally by the school themselves. But if the federal government feels something was done incorrectly, ASU could be facing some severe consequences. A sexual harassment complaint against an ASU professor now the center of a federal investigation into whether or not the university protected that student after she filed it.
If ASU was hiding evidence and they find that, Arizona State University can be in big trouble.
Attorney Benjamin Taylor says it's not often a Title IX sexual harassment complaint goes federal. Normally, it's just an internal investigation, but it's not unheard of.
Just because there's an investigation doesn't mean Arizona State University did anything wrong here.
According to a letter to the student's attorney from the United States Department of Education, the grad student filed a sexual harassment complaint against her professor, Mr. Palagarinos. She claims after that, the university fostered a sexually hostile environment by failing to address retaliation against her by two of her fellow PhD classmates, which the university has a legal obligation to do.
You can lose some of your Title IX funding, you can lose money from the federal government because you're not protecting students on campus. It's a huge consequence.
In a letter from ASU to the student, they say Mr. Palagarinos is no longer employed at the university and has moved out of the country.
That complicates things as far as him being a witness.
Taylor says the federal investigation could take up to a year to complete, given the serious nature of the allegations against the school. And when we reached out to ASU, they say they declined to comment on the ongoing process. Reporting live in Tempe tonight, Brianna Whitney for Arizona's Family.